In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Zoho Mail Control Panel. If you're part of a Zoho organization and tasked with managing email services, this will be an essential aspect of your toolkit. So, let's dive right in and explore how you, as an admin or super admin, can gain entry to this incredibly vital area. First things first, it's critical to understand who is eligible to access the Zoho Mail Control Panel. This particular feature is restricted solely to admins and super admins within your Zoho organization. It's a security measure designed to ensure that only those with administrative rights can make changes to settings that impact the entire organization's email operations. So, if you're an admin, you're in the right place. Now that you know you're eligible, let's move on to how you can actually get to the control panel. There are two main options available to you: navigating directly through a URL or accessing it from your Zoho Mail account. Let's take a closer look at both. Starting with the direct URL option, you simply need to open your web browser and type in the URL https://mailadmin.zoho.com. Once you hit enter, this will lead you straight to the Zoho Mail Admin Console, also known as the Control Panel. It's a straightforward approach and gives you quick access to the settings you may need to adjust or monitor. The second option to access the Control Panel is through your Zoho Mail account itself. Begin by logging in at mail.zoho.com using your admin credentials. This is important because without the proper admin credentials, you won't be able to access the necessary features. After logging in, take a glance up at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile icon. Give it a click and a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the option labeled Admin Console and select it. This will transport you directly into the control panel, where you'll find all the tools and settings available for your management needs. Choosing between these options largely depends on your personal preference and convenience. The direct URL can be faster if you're not currently logged into your Zoho Mail account, whereas accessing it via your account might be easier if you're already in your email. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to access the Zoho Mail Control Panel. Whether you're troubleshooting, updating settings, or overseeing the general email environment of your organization, getting into the control panel is your first step. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Now you're equipped to navigate the path to administrative control confidently and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips and insights.